Do your knees feel stiff and painful as soon as you step out of bed in the morning? You might be eating the very foods that cause inflammation. Today, I am sharing 3 common kitchen items you should consider reducing or stopping right now to help ease that discomfort. But remember, I am here to share information, so please always consult with your doctor before making any major changes to your diet. Your health is unique, and they know what's best for you. First on our list is white sugar. It's a hidden enemy for your joints. You find it everywhere, from your morning coffee to your favorite sauces and desserts. When you eat too much refined sugar, it can trigger the release of inflammatory messengers called cytokines. Think of it like adding fuel to a fire. These cytokines can cause what many people describe as flares, making the swelling and pain in your knees feel so much worse. It creates a cycle of inflammation that can be hard to break. A simple swap you can try is replacing it with just a tiny bit of raw honey or pure maple syrup. These natural sweeteners still contain sugar, so moderation is key, but they also have some beneficial antioxidants. The goal isn't to eliminate all sweetness, but to be more mindful of where it comes from and how much you're consuming. Reducing your sugar intake might be one of the most effective first steps you can take to calm down that joint inflammation. Second are processed vegetable oils, like corn, soybean, safflower, or sunflower oil. These oils are incredibly common in processed foods, restaurant meals, and many household kitchens. The problem is they are very high in omega-6 fatty acids. Now, your body does need some omega-6, but our modern diets often provide way too much of it compared to omega-3 fatty acids. This imbalance can lead to the body producing more pro-inflammatory chemicals, which can directly increase the pain and stiffness you feel in your knees. It's like a seesaw that's completely tilted to one side. To help balance it out, try switching to extra virgin olive oil for your cooking and salad dressings. Olive oil is rich in omega-3 seth and a compound called oleocanthal, which has anti-inflammatory properties similar to ibuprofen. Making this one simple switch can do wonders for a happy heart and happy knees. Third, let's talk about white bread. That soft, fluffy bread we all love is made from refined flour. During the refining process, the bran and germ are stripped away from the wheat grain, and with them go the fiber and most of the nutrients. What's left is a simple carbohydrate that your body digests very quickly, causing a rapid spike in your blood sugar. This spike can trigger an inflammatory response, much like refined sugar does. Over time, a diet high in refined carbohydrates like white bread, white rice, and many pastas has been linked to chronic inflammation and increased joint stiffness. To keep your movements smooth and your joints happy, try switching to whole grains. Look for bread that says 100% whole wheat or whole grain as the first ingredient. Sourdough bread can also be a better option for some, as the fermentation process can make it easier to digest. So, to recap, we talked about refined sugar, processed vegetable oils, and white bread. Which of these 3 is the hardest one for you to think about giving up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you and learning what challenges you're facing. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple kitchen secrets to help you live a healthier, more vibrant life. And once again, as a final and most important reminder, please talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to ensure these changes are right for your specific health needs and personal medical history. Your healthcare provider is your best resource. Stay healthy, and thank you for watching.